Thinking about you, my love, and all the crazy things you put me through. Well, I'm coming around, throwing it back to you. Why are you thinking of me when you kissed him? Could you taste me when you licked his skin? And all the while I showered you with trust and promises. Well, I'm needing now some sweet revenge to get back all that I lost. And I gave you all I had to give and never seemed to reach you. Well, Adrian, I thought I knew you, but once again you use me. Well, Adrian, I should have left you long before you use me up. You spent my money, drove my car, I treated you like a shining star, but in my sky, all burnt out you are.